Okay, here's my old starter. I ground it, put a hot wire back here, connect this. It works, but slowly. Now in theory I should be able to do the same thing to the new one. I ground it down here and touch it just like I did the other one, but sparks just fly. See? Not working, but the solenoid works fine. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I can't get it to do anything. So, see, it's getting hot now, it's starting to smoke, but it's not, motor does not turn. The box is okay, no damage. Starter seems fine. I've bumped it a few times. It just doesn't want to spin, and it's hot.